Are you taking your pants off?
Yeah.
Why are you taking your pants off? Uh-oh. I think this is the first time I've ever seen you take your pants off. Hey, let me see your butt. Hey, that's a butt. Let me pull it back up a little bit. Can you put your pants back on, please?
No.
Will you pull them up? I think you're going to fall over with your pants like that. Why don't you pull them back up? I see your butt. Good girl. Can I see your belly, please? Show me your belly. Hey, Ginger, where's your elbow? Uh-oh. You should put that back. Is that Dada's hat? Can you put it on? Nice. Oh, let me see. Show Mama. Oh, you look very nice. Whoa. Yeah, Dada's not gonna like that. What about the jacket that you pulled down? What are you gonna do with that jacket? Oh, I guess Dada's gonna put it up.
No.
There's a reason it's back there.
I'm not gonna let you have my... No. Oh, baby. Hey, Ginger, are you hungry?
No.
Do you want some avocado?
Sushi.
Sushi.
Uh-huh.
You want some sushi? Dada's been making sushi.
Hello.
The avocado is just for Cheryl. There we go. Okay. Hey, can you say hi to Poppet? Hi. Can you say hi to Cheryl? Hi. Can you say hi to Nona?
Hi.
Hi. Say I love you. I love you.
Yeah, you.
Oh, very good.